Don't believe me when I say that Ads Manager is one of the best businesses you can start right now. Don't. Just don't believe me. Don't believe anyone who just randomly says that this is the best thing. Here's how you can check it. First of all, go onto Facebook or Instagram, scroll through the news feed, and you'll see a lot of ads. And these ads are from real companies. Now, some of the ads are kind of crummy, but a lot of the ads are from really big companies that have great products, they have a great following, etc., etc. Now, here's another hack. You can also go onto Facebook to any company's Facebook page, hit page transparency, and you'll be able to see the ads that they're running. So when I say that Ads Manager is one of the best businesses that you can have, like I said, don't believe me. Go and look it up and you'll see all these companies are moving over from billboards, from TV, from newspaper, and the newspapers are crying about it because they're like, oh, boo-hoo, we don't have anyone to run ads for anymore. Oh, well, times change. But right now where it's at is ads management and starting your own ads management business, learning the skill, pays really well. Then secondly, call up some Facebook ads agencies, call up some advertisers, just Google Facebook and Instagram ads, and you would be shocked at how much they charge, okay? And these are not necessarily big companies. These are just mom and pop freelancers charging thousands per month for their services. So you put two and two together and you're like, you know what? She's onto something. I dare you.